Make a great choice today with the 2010 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.